To access the bank interface of Nepal National Single Window, open the home page nsw.gov.np in a browser, in a desktop or a laptop. Scroll down and under the Access for Agencies section, click on LPCO Management. In the login page, type in your PAN and password to login. Bank interface gets loaded after successful login. To attach financial instruments like LC, TT and others, first you will have to load the approved license, permit, certificate and others, that is LPCO. In the approval reference field, type in the approval reference number of the approved LPCO. In company code field, type the EXIM code or PAN of the company, which should be of at least 8 characters. Click on the load button. You can see the company and the LPCO related information in the top section. In the Shown Financial tab, you will have to fill in the related information. Select the type of financial instrument to be attached in Type field. In Bank Reference Number field, type in the bank's reference number of the financial instrument. Here you can see your bank's name and name of current logged in user. You can view the detailed information of the approved LPCO in these tabs as shown. In Support Information tab, you can see the application processes and associated date and time. Click on the Print View button to download and view the approved LPCO printout. To close the opened LPCO application, click on Close. After verifying the LPCO application, click on Attach Finance button to attach the selected financial instrument. Click OK on the confirmation pop-up window. In this way, you can attach a financial instrument to an approved LPCO. In Support Information tab, you can see that the financial instrument attachment process has been recorded. Following error messages may be seen while loading an LPCO application. If the LPCO is not found in the system, if a financial instrument is already attached to the LPCO, if the LPCO has been suspended by the agency, if the LPCO has been cancelled, if the LPCO has expired, if the LPCO has been partially used, if the LPCO has been completely used.